Hi boys and girls, welcome back to math. So we're going to continue learning about comparing numbers for Unit 4. And what I want to remind you about is that you do not have this Unit 4 book. We didn't send it home this time. We're just trying something new and seeing what works best. So what I'm going to be doing is teaching you using the Unit 4 book, which you don't have, and that's perfect. That's exactly what you're supposed to be doing. You're not supposed to have it because we didn't send it home. And then you're going to do an activity on Seesaw that goes along with what you learned on here. So you're just going to watch some short videos of me teaching you how to do some of these things, but you're not going to follow along with your book this time. Again, we're just trying some new things and seeing what works. So we are going to start, and we're going to still be comparing numbers of objects up to 10. So this is our friend Emily here, and Emily likes to garden. How many of you like to garden? I like to garden too. I like to plant vegetables. I'm not so good with the plants, with the flowers. I kind of kill them. We won't say anything about that. But I do love to plant vegetables, and then my kids like to help too, so that makes it fun. So Emily is a gardener, and she's going to plant some seeds. So she's going to plant 5 red seeds, and then she's going to plant 7 yellow pepper seeds. So 5 red pepper seeds, 3, 4, 5. And then, just like we learned on the last lesson, I'm going to match these up, so a top to bottom. So I've got 3, 4, 5, and remember we said she planted 7 yellow pepper seeds. So how many more do I need? If I have 5 and I need to get to 7, how many more seeds do I have to plant? If you said 2, you are correct. 2 more seeds. So we have 5, 6, 7, and then we're going to match them up and see if one group is bigger or if they're equal. Remember, equal means what? Say it if you know it. Same. Yes, if you said same, you are correct. So I'm going to match these up. There's a partner, there's a partner, there's a partner, there's a partner. Do I have any more partners left? Are there any more red seeds to match the yellows? No. If you said no, you're correct. So we know that 7 is the bigger group. So I'm going to write 5 up here because that's how many red seeds I have. Then I'm going to write 7 down here because that's how many yellow seeds I have. And I can even circle this if I want because that's the bigger number. So we're going to continue to focus on that. So there's vegetables here on this page. Here's some green peppers. Here's some corn on the cob, which is my favorite. And again, we're going to match them up. There's a match. There's a match. There's a match. There's a match. Uh-oh. Do I have any more green peppers to match my corn on the cob? No. So the corn on the cob group is bigger. It has more because there's no more green peppers to pair with it. And if I want to check my work, I can. So I can count each one individually, or maybe I see them in groups of 2. So now I know there's 2, 4. So all together there's 4 green peppers. And then maybe I see my corn all as 1. Maybe I count them individually to see how many there are. Or maybe I know that since there's 4 green peppers and 1 more corn on the cob, that means that the corn on the cob has 5. It has 1 more than 4. So I'm going to write my number there. Okay? So that's just what we're going to be practicing. We're going to try to practice writing some numbers, and then we're going to practice to see which group has more. So again, I'm matching my red peppers to my peas. There's a match, there's a match, and there's a match. And oh, all of a sudden, I don't have any more pea pods to match my red peppers. So again, since I ran out of matches, it tells me I have more. I have more red peppers than I have green peppers. And actually I can see I have 1, 2, 3 more peppers than I have pea pods. So I'm going to circle this group, and then I'm going to write my number here. So maybe you see it, again, each one individually, and you could count each one. Maybe you see them in groups of 3. That's how I see it. So here's a group of 3, and here's a group of 3, and 3 and 3 more is 6. So I'm going to write my number 6 on the line. And then I know just by looking that there's 3 pea pods here, and it also matches my group of 3 up here. So I know it tells me it's the same, so there's 3 there. Or maybe you count each one individually. Whatever works best for you for counting, boys and girls, that's what you do. If you see them in groups, fantastic. If you're counting each one by itself, fantastic. Whatever works for you is what you can do. All right, so that's just a little lesson on comparing numbers, seeing which ones have more, and then writing. So we're going to do, or you are going to do, a seesaw lesson that was kind of like this. So figuring out which group has more and then writing the numbers, and then you'll circle the number or the group that has more. All right, I hope you enjoy. Bye.